Now, the seventh tip, articulation. Okay, articulation is what it is. The formation of clear, distinct sounds in speech. The production of sounds that involves, the coordinated movement of your lips, tongue, respiratory system. Okay, I'm giving you an example. How does it give the accuracy? Okay, how does articulation helps to speak you in a better form? Yeah, I have told you initially in my first tip, second tip, that don't be worried about your pronunciation, don't be worried about your accent, because at initial stage you have to speak in English, and that should be the motto. You have to be fearless. But as soon as you just grab the art of speaking English, you will switch over for the articulation drill, shadow practice, so that your accent pronunciation becomes better. Okay, and you become confident. Suppose for this articulation in spoken, you have to go for not only the shadow practice but also for tongue twister. What's that? I'm giving you an example, like she sells seashells. All has started, all the words are S. See, she. But I'm pronouncing she. But the next, sells. The same S are pronounced in different manner. Why? Because S is related to a consonant that is she. That's why the pronunciation is she. But sell, S is related to a vowel. So sells. Direct S. C shells. C S. E vowel. Shells again. S with a consonant that's pronounced as shell. So once again I'm repeating, see the variation of pronunciations. She sells seashells. This is called tongue twister. So there are ample of tongue twister. You will get it easily. I'm just showing you the path only. The practice depends on you. So carry on practicing. That's part of articulation. Bye-bye, my friends. Have a nice time. If you think it's helpful, please share it. And I'll meet you again. Write a comment for me. How could I grow more? What's your need? What's your want? Okay? Bye-bye, my friends. Have a nice time. Meet you again with another tips.